Alright guys, so do you want to come in here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new queen size mattress. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. As soon as you open the box, you can see that it's truly a hybrid mattress with multiple layers. It's designed with 7 precision crafted layers, including adaptive foam and individually wrapped coils. Once it starts expanding, you can already tell the build is solid and it's completely fiberglass free, so you don't have to worry about any harmful materials. It's 14 inches thick, giving you that hotel style look and comfort right out of the box. Now that it's set up, you can see the Euro top design with quality finish. This is where the 5-zone hybrid support system comes in. Each zone is built to target different parts of the body, so your back, shoulders, and hips all get the right kind of support. The reinforced edges also stand out here. A lot of mattresses sink when you sit or lay near the edge, but this one has edge support so you feel stable all the way across the surface. It's built with hundreds of wrapped coils that absorb motions, so even if your partner moves, you don't feel it on your side. That's the motion isolation at work, meaning you both get uninterrupted rest. The foam on top adapts to your shoulders and hips, keeping your spine aligned. This helps reduce tension and morning aches. As you can see, as we're laying down together, you can feel how balanced the mattress is. Soft enough on top to cradle, but supportive underneath so you don't sink in. And of course, even with extra weight from a pet, the mattress stays stable. The airflow from the coils keeps it cooler, which is perfect if you share the bed with someone or even your pups who likes to take a nap with you. It's designed for durability and comfort and supports night after night. Another detail I really liked was the breathability. The coil system isn't just for support, it also helps with airflow, which keeps the mattress cooler compared to traditional all foam beds with that trap heat. And when you look at the stitching and reinforced edges, you can tell it's built for long-term durability. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new queen size mattress, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.